Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is New Year's Eve. Oh my god, this is like insane. I wanted to do one last makeup video of 2022 just to ease our way on to the next year, which is tomorrow, which is so crazy. I'm so excited. I'm just ready to get this year over with. It's been very depressing in the world, so I'm happy that I got to do my makeup on my channel and start this because this was new, which I will talk about in my next video because I will be doing a New Year's resolution, New Year's resolution video of what I want to do on my channel and what goals and stuff I want to accomplish next year. So let's get right into this video. So I am going to first start by moisturizing my face, y'all. My face is so dry today, it's crazy. I had a horrible cold with this weather, y'all. I'm just so happy that New Year's is almost, 2023 is almost here. This year definitely needs to end. It's been so depressing, and I'm over it. Okay, so I'm going to start with eyebrows first, y'all. When I do my eyeshadow, I'm going to be doing, I want to do a cute purple, shimmer purple. I think that's a good way to go out because I'm going to be wearing my gold shirt. So with some gold earrings, so I might go with purple just to do a mix of colors. So I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics brow palette, guys. Had this for a long time. And then I'm going to just fill these brows in. And y'all see me looking over here, that's where my other mirror is at. That's what I'm looking at to do my makeup. And I'm just gonna fill these in and I'm gonna add concealer to clean them up. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows and I went on and set the concealer under my eyebrows and eyeshadow, or for my eyeshadow, so I'm ready to keep going. So I am going to be using the 35T Sweetest Tea palette. This is so cute. I love this palette, by the way. I'm going to be using the purple in here, which this is whole section over here. I'm trying to see which ones I want to do. I might use Balm AF because it's really pretty and it's Balm. That's perfect. Also, my Bestie is a really good one too. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Really, it'd be cute on top of a color. But I do know I'm going to be using Thorough Fit as my favorite because the purple is so bright, y'all. Or I might do that one with like, okay, we're just going to figure it out because I just want some pretty purple. So this is the last makeup video of 2022. So I really want to do a pretty purple for my eyeshadow, y'all. It's a big deal. I got so much to make, so many things coming up for next, I was going to say next semester, that too, but next year for 2023. So I'm going to take my brush, guys, if I can find it. And I'm going to take like a Fit or Thorough Fit, which is the brightest purple. This palette is amazing because it's very pigmented. That's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my lids, y'all. I'm just so ready for this year to end. It's just, you know, when it's been so much going on, you're just ready for something new to happen. This was a long year, y'all, and I have many resolutions. So my next video will be me with this look. I'm legit doing this look for my next look, which will be me talking about my New Year's resolutions, y'all, and what I expect and what I want to accomplish for next year. So that'll be my next video. So I'm going to go and do this on both eyes, and then we're going to be blending. Okay, so now I finished this, guys. I'm gonna go and blend this out so I can even this on my eyelid. You can lightly blend with this. Okay, now that I blend this out, I love how it blended. We are going to go in. I'm going to use the same brush, if I can find it, and I'm gonna take the light candy, which is just like a really shimmer purple, and I'm gonna add this on top of my eyeshadow. I'm happy I wore a different shirt to do this because this is the shirt I do my makeup in because I know I'm going to waste stuff. That's a perfect purple. And ignore my hand, y'all. I got burned on the oven trying to check my food, and I kept, you know what, that's what happened when I just didn't pull the whole thing out and trying to check the food while I was in the oven. Dumb. That's what it is. So Look at that. That is so bright, y'all. So I'm going to do this to both eyes. Okay, now that I'm done with that, guys, it blended out really well, and I really love this purple. So this was the light candy. This is what it is. It was more like a cream shimmer purple, which is why it came out so thick, and it was actually perfect. And it blended really well. Really overtook the other purple, but it's okay. I can work with this. I like how bright this is. It's New Year's. So now we're going to go in with the rest of, I think we're only going to do my eyeliner, y'all. Yep, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and then we're going to go in with that foundation. Okay, now that I got my eyeliner done, I really don't be worrying about the eyeliner too much because it's just for my lashes. It's not going to show. So, unless I do like a thicker wing, like if I actually take my time to actually do the wing, but this is just for my lashes. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the 355 Maybelline Fit Me foundation. That's my foundation, my go-to foundation. And I am going to use another egg because I got eyeshadow everywhere, y'all. That's the only thing about loose like eyeshadow, that's going to get everywhere. I'm going to blend this all over my face. And since I'm doing a full face, I'm going to put this everywhere. Which is what I normally do anyway, but yeah. Okay, now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to go with my concealer. I'm going to be mixing Cool Tan with Toffee. I use the Pro LA Girl Concealer. That's my go-to concealer because it's thick and full total coverage, y'all. So this is definitely a good one if you're looking for it. I get this from Ulta. It's like $4.99. You got it in store, and you can order it online. And I'm just going to blend this all out. Just like this. Okay, so I went on to set my foundation, y'all, and concealer with my powder. I am going to go in with my my dark contour that I use on the outside of my face. And I'm just going to go around my face because this is time to put some highlighter on here so we be looking bright, extra bright. And then I'm trying to see, I think I'm going to add jewels at the end. I'm nowhere near done, almost, but let's see. We are then going to go in. I'm going to do my under eyes. I'm going to take that same brush from the beginning with the purple, and I'm going to go under my eyes with it. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my blush and highlighter. I'm using the Blushing and Bali palette. Why do I always forget that when this is like the only one I mainly use? This is it. I'm going to be using this one, the coral color. Just on my cheeks. And you know we had to do it. I had to. Now we are then going to go with, I'm gonna go in with my mascara, guys. So I'm gonna go and finish this look, guys, with my eyelashes because I know it's gonna take a while because I'm gonna mess with them. So you guys will see the finished look after this. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. This is so pretty. I went out with a bang with this. The purple with the gold just works. I just added I'm like, what are we looking at? We're looking at my mirror. So I just added my earrings, which I got these from Shein, which they are very good quality. I'm surprised. I was very worried about these, but they look really pretty. I just added my but my lashes, lip gloss, fix my little hair up with have to fix my edges, y'all. And that is it. So I'm definitely dyeing my hair back fully like platinum blonde soon. I'm just trying to wait till I get closer to school because I go back. I don't know yet. The campus open back up on the 3rd, but I know we move in probably the 10th because first day of school is the 12th. So I'm trying to wait because these roots are gonna grow out by then. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is so weird to say, but I will see you guys next year. That's so weird. We ended this year very well. And I'm happy that I got to do makeup, start my makeup channel or my beauty channel, beauty, fashion, whatever you want to call it, my channel, all about me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one, which is in 2023, guys.